This is really the worst rain I've got in a long, long time. Hi, I'm Jessica, the fietsvlogger, Dutch for cycling vlogger. Together with Verbal, I'm cycling the Tauernradweg, a route of around 300 kilometers in Austria. It's time for the last part now, to Salzburg. Last day of 4 weeks of cycling. Finally time for the rain gear. Great start of the day! Rain and the puncture.
To the day.
What?
Great start to the day.
Great start to the day. New try. All these mountains and the clouds, it gives a different kind of feeling. Actually, this is pretty amazing as well. Kind of a sad symphony. There's a lot of cyclists today on the road. It's almost like it started to rain and they thought, let's go for a bike ride. Probably because we're almost in Salzburg and everyone is coming from the direction of Salzburg. German people, Dutch people, can recognize them because a lot of times they have a Santos that I have or a Koga. I'm always looking at the brand of bikes to see where they're from. It's cool. Hello. They're in a great town with e-bikes. Today the color of the water turned brown. It's brown. The water has been crystal clear, crystal blue the whole time, and now it's this yucky brown color. It's all yucky now. The last day. It's raining the whole day. We didn't get any rain. Time to relax. Had a shower, having some tea and M&M's from the hotel. Nice room, already a mess with all our bike bags. After this, we're taking a look at the house where Mozart was born. Then this trip came to an end. Tomorrow we're going back with the train. And I'm going to relax. Bye guys. Using the umbrella of the hotel. So Virgo says it must rain a lot here if you can use an umbrella for free. I'm sure it's an amazing city here, Salzburg, but when it rains, the thing is, when it rains in the city, it's never that great. I mean, if you're cycling in nature, it's also not so nice to have rain. But when you're in the city, it's really horrible. Nature still has something nice. Now you're back. Mozart's birdhouse. You're not allowed to make pictures or videos anywhere, and if you do, they yell at you. You're not allowed to make pictures. You're not allowed to make pictures. Mozart lived here, in this house. It says it on the sign. See? It's a restaurant now. it nice chewing gum? It's special Mozart chewing gum. In the train from Austria to Germany. We're going to be in this train for 8 hours. And this train is the intercity from Salzburg to Dortmund. You can reserve a spot for your bicycle and then you can just sit right there. Fixing a puncture on the train. It's a beautiful view behind me. See? Vineyards. Never got as many punctures as on this trip. Maybe because there are so many unsurfaced roads with little stones. It's probably the reason. I thought it was going to be relaxing to take the train, and it is. Only thing is we are delayed. Not totally sure if we will get home. It's good to be home. Back in the Netherlands. It's great. Great. It's not that I miss Italy or Austria. It's great. Really great. Oh jeez, there's so many gather late folks. This is really the worst rain I've got in a long, long time. And it's very windy and very wet. This is not normal! See you next week, guys. It's going to have hot death, I think. Bye. Waterproof, everything is totally dry. These flex as well. Better than my rain gear because I'm totally soaking. Okay, see ya. Bye bye. Thank you all for watching. See you next week. Don't forget to like the video and you can subscribe below. Bye. So can you say this is the end of the vlog? It's the end of the vlog.